Thanks for coming back, you guys. I greatly appreciate it. So today we're working on my windshield wiper sprayers on the Tacoma. Mine haven't been working so great. Actually, they haven't been working great at all, period, since I got the truck and finally decided to go ahead and bite the bullet and get some new ones. So here's to show you everyone how you can be able to install your new ones and how to be able to adjust them if they're not spraying properly. First off, I wanted to go ahead and show you the little guy that we're working with. This is a Nozzle Assy, spelled A-S-S-Y. The part number is 85381-04030. I'll go ahead and put that down in the description below. So this is what we're going to be replacing here on the truck right in there. I'll be showing you how we can get that seated. So I found that when you're removing this primarily on there, you'll probably need a knife or something very, very rigid. And you'll want to go ahead and just press on this little dimple right here on each side. I'll probably have to do it one at a time. But you go ahead and press that in on one side, and you can pop one side up, and then you can get whatever you're using, prop up the other side and pop it out. It's just really, really easy to install and uninstall. Now, if you are spraying it on your windshield and you're finding that it's not seating in there, or it's not spraying in there properly, let me see if I can get this on camera. I'm probably not going to be able to very easily. But I find that a push pin, man, if I can say this right, fits just right on the inside of this and allows you to be able to, I won't be able to get that on camera, position that wherever that you need to. Sorry about that. So what I was showing you, so you can take this, put it in there, it allows you to rotate it wherever you need to. So if you're too high, you can bring it down low. If it's too far left, you can bring it to the right. However you need to, just stick that in there. Then you can adjust it however you need. So let's go ahead and get to showing you how to put that in and get to it. It's a very straightforward process. Like I said, just go ahead and use it to pop it out before using those little tensions. Go ahead and seat it in right here. Seats right in just like that. Take your hose, pop it on, and then you're done. And then use your push pin or anything that you have that's about this size, place it in there and gently adjust it. Now that we're inside, we can go ahead and test it. Those two are hitting a little low down there. These are hitting almost just right. So we'll go ahead and get that corrected real quick. Try it again. Yeah, that one's hitting about where we need. That one's hitting close, and then the other one's close to it. That's how you do it.